Before you can use AI effectively, you need to understand what it's doing. Most professionals interact with AI the same way they use a search engine. You type in a question, you get an answer back. If the answer isn't good, you type a different question. That's not how AI works, and that's why most outputs stay generic. Here's what's happening. When you submit a prompt to a large language model, the model doesn't retrieve information, it predicts. It analyzes every word you've provided in sequence and calculates the most statistically likely next token based on everything it was trained on. It is, at its core, pattern completion. Every high quality AI output for security and automation work is built on the same four components: role, context, command, format. If your prompt is missing any of these, the model is guessing at what you want, and it will default to the most generic response in its training data.